Hey, what's up YouTube? Alright, back again with a new toolkit from Easy Red. And it is the 7-piece battery maintenance kit. The BMK1914 by Easy Red. And let's just open it out before I give you guys the rundown of what it all comes with. Alright, let's see here. Got some tape. Let's get that tape. Oh, this is made in Taiwan, just so you guys know. Made in Taiwan there, and made in Taiwan there. So, what makes this new? Because this kit has been out for a while, but what makes this one new is it comes in a tool roll now. You may get one in a zipper pouch if you order it, but you should make sure you know what you're getting before you order it. But here she be. Comes in a nice thick pouch, sturdy. You got your terminal grippers, the terminal pullers, and you know this is nice. Like this thing's nice. It doesn't feel cheap, if you know what I mean. It doesn't feel cheap. Like it's not pop metal, you know. Heck yeah. Let me give you guys a rundown of what's all in it. And I'll start out by saying this kit was $53 shipped from Amazon. And that's a pretty killer deal considering everything you get here. You get a $15, $20 set of pliers, another $15, $20 set of pliers. You get 3 wrenches, the brush and combo tool, and the puller with the pouch. Like, that's $100 worth of tools easily. So, let's start it off here. We got the BK706, and that is going to be a terminal tool here. The Easy Red terminal tool. See, it's even got the laser marked. That's pretty cool. Let's get that up there. Pretty legit, guys. And then we got the BK541. This is going to be your brush, and this got your metal brush bristles there. Metal bristles. I'm not sure what that is. I'm going to check and see what these things are for. Interesting. This wrench here. This is going to be your 5/16 BK703. Reversible. And this is going to be your extra long BK705. And that's your extra long. Caution, do not over tighten to prevent damage to battery. So, there's the big long daddy. And this one is the BK708, which is the 10mm. Yes, it comes with a 10mm. So that's pretty sweet, guys. Yep. And these pliers here, this is the BK720 IM. Nope. Scratch that. These are the BK725s. Yep, BK725s. And these are your battery pliers. Pretty nice. And last but not least is the BK720 IM. And that is going to be your terminal spreader. So you would stick this in the terminals and spread them open so you can get it on your battery terminals. So yeah, this is a nice set, guys. Reasoning in getting this set, everything's right here, compact. So you got a customer that just pulls up and they say they got battery issues, charging issues, so you can just go ahead and grab this pouch and grab your multimeter and just whatever you're going to do your testing, and get them all taken care of, and zip zap, get that money and get paid. Yep. So I'm going to leave it like that. I'll figure out how it rolls up later, but let me get a like, a sub, a comment, and I'm going to give a shout out to the Moneyline Mechanic. Yes, the Moneyline Mechanic. He actually has like a really old version of this set, and it's really cool. Yeah, I found him. He needs our support, guys. Like, gotta help this kid out. He needs our support. Give him a sub, give him a like, give him a comment, just like you would with me. Alright, guys. Deuces.